ready to make French toast in your air fryer with this super simple recipe. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel I share my family's favorite recipes like this one and more, and simple cooking tips. If that's your jam, hit the red subscribe button so we can make a few times a week. First things first, you want to preheat the air fryer. You want to start out with a hot tray in there. If your air fryer has a preheat button, hit that. Otherwise, 375 for about 5 minutes. While the air fryer is preheating, I'm going to make that wet mixture that we're going to soak up our French toast. I'm also using regular sandwich bread because that's probably what you have around at home as well. So in this bowl, I'm going to crack a couple of eggs. I'm using this square baking dish because the toast is square, so it just makes it really easy. Before I add the other ingredients, I'm going to whisk the eggs really well until my egg white and yolk are combined, because if you soak bread like this, it's just not going to be as good. And now that the egg whites and the egg yolks are combined really well, I'm going to add my milk, give this a little whisk. I'm also going to add some vanilla extract and cinnamon and whisk it up really well. You're going to take your bread and dip it on each side for about 10 seconds, nothing more. What's really important is that as soon as you dip your bread in both sides, you place it in your air fryer. Now, depending on the size of your air fryer, you can fit 2 or cook 4 at a time, but I'm gonna do 2 just to get the process started. Now, French toast are cooked in a single layer, letting on top of the tray, so just close it up. So these are gonna cook in our preheated air fryer at 380 Fahrenheit for 2 to 3 minutes per side. You want to keep an eye on it, especially after you flip them, to make sure they don't burn. As you can see, my other 2 pieces of bread are still waiting to be dipped. I'm going to wait to do these once these 2 are ready so they don't get soggy and then they break when I place them in my air fryer. By the way, if you like tips like that one, give this video a thumbs up so I know to always include them in my videos for you. The kitchen smells amazing, so these are ready. Check them out. Let's take them out of the air fryer onto our plate. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter on top and some syrup. Let's check these out. The texture is crispy on the outside. So good. Everything you need is right below this video in the details, and if the air fryer is one of your best friends, check out this next video. You're gonna love it.